Hello, this is Diego Blanco with CIDAN Machinery Group. We're here in Orlando, Florida at the FRSA convention, and I'm going to be showing you guys one of the pieces that we've been running at the show, which is a high pitch repitch. All right. So we come here. We just got to push the machines against the back gauge. For my first fold. Just push against it again. Just going to close my hem now. If you come here to the control, we can see that the machine tells me what I need to do next. So I need to take my part out and flip it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just bring it here, flip it, go in, do my kick, and I'll show you guys one of my favorite features about the machine right here. So if this is the XSPACE folding beam we have. If you didn't have the XSPACE folding beam, then getting to the fingers, as you can see right here, would be really hard. Why? Because you don't have the relief on the folding beam. You would have a straight folding beam right here. But since we have this relief right here, I can go even deeper without having to push the machine to get to the fingers. Just do my bend, easy enough. Then I close it here. And that's how you do a high pitch repitch with the FX32 Combi Folder with XSPACE that we're making at the FRSA convention.